So if you're moving to the Middle Georgia area and you're looking for a place to rent, we've got a new rental on the market right now. It's right off of Hartley Bridge Road and 10 minutes away from I-75, and you're right halfway between Warner Robins and Macon. As a matter of fact, we're about 11 minutes away from Robins Air Force Base. So if you're doing a military relocation and you're PCSing to Robins, this would be a great place locally to Robins Air Force Base and easy for you to get to work. This is 124 Allentown Court in Macon. So let's take a look and see if this is the place that you want to make home. So like I said, this house is right off of Hartley Bridge Road, about halfway between Macon and Warner Robins. So you're about 15 minutes away from downtown Warner Robins, all the grocery stores and shopping, and about 20 minutes away from downtown Macon and all its historical charm. So if this is someplace that you think you'd be interested in, reach out to Denise at Double D Property Solutions and she'll schedule a private showing. And I'll talk to you on the next one.